Hi guys, here's how to see volume or how to add the volume indicator on TradingView. So the first step is to click right here at the top part where it says indicators. Once you click on that, you type in volume. Once you type in volume, you can choose any of these, but I prefer to use this one right here that doesn't have, any word attached to it, just volume. So once you click on that, then you exit this and then you can see the volume profile right here. Okay. So the red color right here shows um you know bearish pressure, while the green color right here shows bullish pressure. Just like here, the green color shows bullish pressure. So yeah, that's how to add volume to your chart. But there are other types of volume indicators. So um for example, you can choose a different volume profile depending on how you like to trade. So you can choose this one, it says net volume. You can type in volume profile and choose an entirely different type of volume. But I like to use the one I showed you just because it's way easier. So for example, some people like to use this one. So if you add that one, then it just shows you the volume of trading at each of these periods. Okay.